Hey guys, in this full 2025 guide, I'll show you how to change the bank feed view in QuickBooks Online so you can see your transactions exactly how you want. First, log into QuickBooks Online and go to the Banking tab. Select the bank account you want to adjust. At the top of the bank feed, you'll see options for sort by, filter, or display. Click Sort By to organize transactions by date, amount, or type. Use Filter to view only cleared, uncleared, or specific categories of transactions. Adjust the display view to show simplified, detailed, or compact transaction lists depending on your preference. Once set, QuickBooks will remember your preferred bank feed view for easier daily reconciliation. And that's it. Your bank feed view in QuickBooks Online is now customized. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2025 QuickBooks tutorials.